Hello everyone and welcome back to Kuwaiti Simplified. Today we're going to touch on something close to our hearts, love. Whether you're married to a Kuwaiti or just want to impress your loved one with sweet Kuwaiti Arabic phrases, this video is perfect for you.
Love, حب. I love you. أحبك. أحبك. أحبكم.
What if you want to express your love in a more deeper, more passionate way?
Intense love, like deep love. عشق. And we can say أعشقك. أعشقك. أعشقكم.
What is the word for beautiful?
Beautiful. حلو. حلوة. حلوين.
And if we wanted to compliment someone and tell them they are beautiful, how could we say this?
You are so beautiful. أنتي وايد حلوة. Or أنت وايد حلو.
In English, we would say things like, you are my sunshine. How would you say this, and are there any other expressions similar to this that you use here?
You are my sunshine. أنت or أنتي نور عيوني. Sunshine is shams, but when you want to say you're my sunshine, means like you're the brightness in my eye. نور عيوني. عيوني is my eye. نور is the brightness or the light.
Beautiful. I know I've heard one that's similar that refers to the moon. Could you share that phrase with us?
You are like the moon. أنت or أنتي قمر or مثل القمر. مثل means like. But if you say you are the moon, أنت or أنتي قمر. You could say قمر also means the moon.
Often in English, in order to get somebody's attention, you would say, my love, and then proceed with whatever it is that you want them to do. In Kuwaiti, you can do the same, but the word varies based on gender. Habibi for a man, and habibti for a woman. These are common endearing words to call someone and even used between men. Also in Kuwaiti, my heart is used, where in English, not so much.
Heart, قلب. If you want to say my heart, قلبي. Come here, تعال, تعالي, هني. My heart, قلبي.
Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our content so that we can continue to help and support other ladies in our community. This small action helps us in a big way. All your support means so much to us. Okay, let's get back to it. Now, if I want to tell my partner that they complete me, how would I tell him?
You complete me. أنت تكملني. أنتي تكمليني. Do not confuse yourself with تكلميني. تكلميني means to talk to me. تكملني means you complete me.
I love that. It's so heartfelt. And for those looking for something more romantic, how about you are my everything?
You are my everything. أنت or أنتي كل شيء بالنسبة لي. كل شيء is everything. Now you can stop it by saying أنت كل شيء or أنتي كل شيء. But if you want to say you mean everything to me, بالنسبة لي.
What if we want to send, you make me happy? What's the phrase for that?
You make me happy. أنت تسعدني. أنتي تسعديني. You make me happy.
And what if you want to tell them that they are the love of your life?
You are the love of my life. أنت or أنتي حب حياتي. حب حياتي means love of my life.
Okay, now time for a heartfelt declaration. How about I love you with all of my heart?
I love you with all of my heart. أحبك or أحبك بكل قلبي. All my heart.
Okay, ladies, which of these phrases do you think that you'll use next time you want to express your love? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you'd like to dive deeper into these phrases and more, book a call with us to see if our program would be a good fit for you at KuwaitiSimplified.com. It's an invite-only program where we only admit those who we feel confident we can help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ma salama.